Hey traders, this is Parthiban. Okay, this video is purely for education. Uh, I've come across many saying that they're making about $300 or $500 a day. They're making about few $1,000, few $100,000, few $1,000,000 a day. So you see, I'm a managing fund, and my friends are fund managers, and all of us are managing millions. So we know if someone managing millions, we don't make millions every month or every year. Our target is about 2% or 3% per month on the whole sum, and we make very small money without risk, without stress, which is very small comparatively to our funds. But with that fund, we survive on our daily life without having any stress or doubt that we will make money or not if this kind of news. So we consistently make money on that. So what I'm going to explain to you guys is I've seen people sending handphones trading records. Can I decide this is live account or demo account based on this information? It's impossible. There is no proof that it's demo or live. Okay, to check whether it's a live or demo, anyone can make money demo because you don't put stop loss. To what you guys have to consider, need to know is you have to look into the these accounts. By looking at this, can you say this is live or demo? I've used proper money management. Can you decide by looking at this, is it live or demo? We cannot decide is it live or demo. Okay, the person has used proper money management, but this is not live or this is not demo. We cannot decide on this. Because it's a small volume doesn't mean it's a live. Because it's a big volume, big capital doesn't mean it's a demo. So you have to understand that. So what are the factors that you have to look into is, if someone gives, ask them to click this one, see whether they put stop loss or take profit. Okay, and then you must ask them to show whether it's a live or demo. Okay, when you click, there's a button here. If you click this one, okay, if you click the one, you just hold on here. Okay, if you click this one, it will appear their name, Parthiban Ilangovan or International Capital. Okay, once you click that, ask them to give proof the snapshot over here. You see, because the capital is 3,000 or 4,000 doesn't mean it's a live account. I'm practicing on demo. This is my demo account. It's written very clearly it's demo, and if it's green color, it's a demo. If it's gold in color, then it's live account. So if someone's showing you this track record and then close orders, another beautiful part about this, the person might have closed many trades and showing a very good history, but you never know what's their floating loss. The floating loss might be increasing. Like, let's say the capital is $10,000, they would have closed probably about $6,000 profit, but the floating loss might be 8,500 or 9,000. You never know. They have given up the gap between buy and sell widen the gap, so that's why the floating loss increase. So hope this video gives you guys to make a decision, or you want to learn from someone. Always ask whether are you trading. This is the first question you must ask. Are you trading forex trading? Live trade. Show me your live account. If someone can provide you 3 months or 6 months record, that person is really a trader. So the reason myself and my friends came out to educating people, we see a lot of scammers, a lot of people are giving out wrong information, spreading wrong knowledge, which deviating many people and many innocent people losing money on their education based on that information. So that's the reason we came we coming on and educating. Hope you guys grab on this. So this free video is for your knowledge. If someone educating, say they're going to coach you, ask them, are you a trader? Show me your life account, 3 months record. Okay, once they can provide that, then you can see that the person who coach or the person who preach, are they walking their talk? It's easy to say to anyone, use proper money management. To practice the money management on your personal life account, that's the toughest part. So with these 3 questions, you can filter many people. And if someone provide you this kind of snapshot, always ask them to prove this, not these closed accounts. So you have the rights to demand, because you're going to park your fund under them, or you're going to park, or you're going to enroll to their causes. So you always can ask this. So in my causes, I do provide my life testimony, my life account. You can always visible to that. You can always see that. So because we educating in a proper way, we want to avoid people get cheated and lose money, because this overall affects the forex industry itself. Myself, I'm managing fund and coaching people for past 3 years. So when I see this kind of things going on, so it overall, with someone's mistake, it affects the whole industry, and indirectly it affects us also. So that's the reason we're educating, and hope this video really gives you a clarity. Always keep in mind, don't get impressed by seeing a snapshot of the MT4 Enfunds MT4. That could be a demo account. And another one more information, probably I can provide you guys that later. Let's say I have $10,000 account, I trade in a broker, but if my money exceeds millions, my capital, I don't keep my money in a broker. This is the broker, and this is the bank. So no one trades the millions dollar in a brokerage account with a leverage of 1 to 500. Probably they go to 1 to 50 or 1 to 10. Someone have fund of 10k with a broker, probably they can have leverage of up to 1 to 500. So this itself will filter. If you have $1 million, it's wrong to be in broker. You have to be a bank, or you become the broker. So you have the capacity to be in that stage. So hope this gives you guys clarity. I've seen some people are saying that they have $10 million account in a broker, and they're making about a month $500,000. That's all bullshit. You can open that account size and demo account. If someone have $10 million, they would not be appearing in the public, and because that could be dangerous for them. And if you have $10 million, you would not be in a broker. You become a broker. You park your fund under your own brokerage firm, and you manage your fund. So hope you guys don't get deviated or attracted with a falsified information. Always educate yourself, and always ask them to verify if they are coaching, whether it's proven or not. Ask the record. So with this kind of information, you always can be safe from losses and deviated from your proper path. Okay, so I've prepared 3 videos for you guys today for self-education. So hope this benefits you guys, and safe trade.